Hello beautiful people, let's make the perfect Nigerian jollof spaghetti. So in a pot of boiling water, I added some salt and then I added my spaghetti. I cover this up to cook for about 8 to 10 minutes. You want to make sure you don't overcook your spaghetti. Now 8 to 10 minutes later, my spaghetti is ready. I went ahead to drain this up. In a pan, I added some vegetable oil and then I added some marinated chicken breast and prawns. You can use any protein of your choice. So you want to make sure you fry this for about 4 to 5 minutes on each side and then take care of the heat. So I added some chopped onions and I'm going to allow this to caramelize. Now I added some tomato paste and I gave that a good mix. So I went ahead to add my Scotch bonnet pepper and also my tomato and ginger mix. I want to give this a good mix also. Now I added my spices. I'm using some curry powder, salt, some seasoning cubes and some chicken spice. You can use any spice of your choice. So I went ahead to add my spaghetti. As you can see, it's looking so dry. So I went ahead to add some spaghetti water. This is the water used in cooking the spaghetti. Now you want to mix this thoroughly. You want to give this a very good mix. As you can see me doing so. If you've watched to this point, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel, please. Now you want to add some extra water if you need to, and then cover this up to cook for about 5 minutes. Five minutes later, go ahead and add some spring onions and your proteins. Now give this a very good mix. Please don't forget to like my video, drop a comment what do you think about this recipe, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Now you want to also cover this for about 1 minute so that the spring onions will release its flavors in it. And 1 minute later, and the spaghetti is all done. Thank you for watching. See you in my next one. Bye.